Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to build an inexpensive glass panel door. As you know, tempered glass can be expensive. I'm going to build my panel door out of tempered glass cutting boards. I found these online for 15 bucks. Let's get started. You can make this project out of any wood you'd like. I'm making this door out of cedar. It's a good idea to straight line your pieces before you start cutting. Do that with a track saw or run it through a joiner. I've cut all my pieces and we're ready to start machining. I'm going to construct this door using a spline joint. A spline joint is grooves on each board with a spline piece connecting the two boards together. You can cut these grooves on a table saw using a dado blade, or you can use a router with a slotting bit. Now that I've finished cutting all the grooves, I'm going to rip some splines. And then cut the spline pieces to length. Now that I have all my splines cut, I'm going to dry fit the door before I glue it and clamp it. It's a good idea to clamp your stile to the bench so it doesn't tip over. Dry fit all the pieces together, starting with the bottom rail. Add a piece of glass, then a mullion. Continue till you get to the top rail, then add the second stile. Disassemble the piece. Reassemble it, adding glue to each spline joint. Be sure to wipe away any excess glue as it squeezes out. Clamp the door together using bar clamps. Place a piece of scrap wood between the bar clamp and your door so you don't dent the door. Allow the glue to dry completely, preferably overnight. That's it, glue's dry. I've got the clamps all popped off. I'm going to sand this and put a coat of polyurethane on it. That's how you make a glass panel door. For more projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.